Click on the link below to get price. The BioBlue Trinocular Compound Microscope is an impressive instrument that caters to both amateur and professional microscopy enthusiasts. With its robust construction and thoughtful design, it provides an excellent platform for various applications, including biological research, educational purposes, and even hobby projects. One of the standout features of this microscope is its trinocular head, which allows for simultaneous viewing through the eyepieces and the camera port. This is particularly beneficial for those looking to document their findings or share real-time observations with others. The optical system is equipped with SMP 4/10/S40 S100x oil objectives, ensuring clear and crisp images across a range of magnifications. The oil immersion objective, in particular, enhances resolution and detail, making it ideal for viewing fine cellular structures. The mechanical stage is a significant advantage, providing precise control over specimen placement. This feature is especially useful during prolonged observation periods, as it minimizes the need to adjust the specimen manually, allowing for more focused work. The stage is easy to operate, with smooth movements that enable quick repositioning and centering of samples. Another notable aspect of the BioBlue microscope is its illumination system. The built-in LED light source offers adjustable brightness, ensuring optimal lighting conditions for various specimens. The condenser provides excellent control over light focusing, which is essential for achieving high-quality images. While the microscope does come with a learning curve for new users, the overall functionality and performance make it well worth the effort. The build quality is solid, ensuring durability for long-term use. Additionally, the microscope's aesthetic appeal with a sleek design adds to its value. In summary, the BioBlue Trinocular Compound Microscope is a reliable choice for anyone serious about microscopy. Its combination of accessibility, advanced features, and excellent optics makes it one of the best options on the market. Whether for academic, professional, or personal exploration, this microscope exceeds expectations and delivers a rewarding viewing experience.